So you want to use this particular layout on a few other places as well. You can see I've selected it, and I get a box at the top here. If I click one of these, I can save widgets, and what those widgets are items in here that can have specific styles and items allocated to them. So what I'll be able to do is I'll load a default widget library in for you, which has a lot more examples in it. So this here is our main demo environment, and if I go down, you'll see I have access to a lot more widgets in here. So I'll have these imported into your site so you can use them as well. And what these are is they just allow you to very quickly create you know, look and feel pieces that you feel you are reusing a lot of the time to do that. So that's the other way that we actually handle that.